Ellie eating her peas. Peas and carrots, Ellie. Do you like some more peas? Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. More peas? Yum! Yum! You gotta swallow them. You gotta swallow. There you go. There you go. You're smiling with all your peas in your mouth. You gotta swallow them. That's a good job. You got at least half of them. Good girl, Ellie.